Welcome back. Interest rates are still pretty low, but they're also on the rise. So right now is the ideal time to qualify for new mortgage or to refi. Brent Ivinson from Ideal Home Loans has everything you need to know.
Brent, thanks for being with us today. Now, those interest rates are creeping up. So tell me, where are they at right now, and why is it the best time for our viewers to take advantage of those rates?
Well, you can still get a 30-year fixed rate that starts with a 2, but that's not likely to last a whole lot longer. And while we have moved off the record low rates we saw late last year, we're still dealing with what is going to be considered the lowest interest rates most people have seen in their lifetime. The last time we saw record low rates was in 2016, and that reached the level of about 3.375, 3.5%. So this is still a fantastic time, whether you're buying or refinancing. Take advantage of interest rates before they move higher. As we start to get closer and closer towards the new normal, you're going to see interest rates correct and go back up. So you don't want to miss out on your chance to take advantage today.
Absolutely. Now, Brent, tell us how Ideal Home Loans is helping its customers.
Well, we can handle this process any way you like. If you'd like to do this totally digitally, we can accommodate that for you thanks to our digital technology platform. So you can handle everything from the comfort of your own computer. If you'd like to come in and meet with us face to face, certainly we can do that. But I think the biggest thing people realize when they're working with us is the fact that we put you in control of this process. So it's more about you telling us what your short-term and long-term goals are and us going to work to get those things accomplished for you, rather than us just telling you what you need to do. If we know what you're trying to do overall, not only today, but down the line as well, we can really put you into a program that has your mortgage working for you rather than you just working to make your mortgage payment each and every month.
Now, Brent, you mentioned short-term and long-term goals. So how does Ideal Home Loans help people manage debt if that's one of their goals?
Yeah, you're seeing this trend right now. We've got this perfect scenario for current homeowners who are carrying credit card debt. Home values are going up at record rates right now. That means you've got equity. You can tap into that equity and get rid of that credit card debt. And here's what you're going to be able to do in doing so. Not only do you get out from underneath that high interest credit card debt, we're going to show you how to put money in your savings account each and every month because of how much money we're going to be saving you. And we're going to show you how to pay your house off more quickly at the same time. A lot of folks are opting to tap into that equity right now, whether it's for a remodeling project, consolidating debt, whatever needs they have because of the record appreciation we're seeing and how fast homes are going up throughout Colorado right now.
That sounds great. So, Brent, let's talk about what it's like to work with Ideal Home Loans. What can I expect when I pick up the phone and give you a call?
Yeah, you're going to talk to one of our salary-based lending specialists. And I think the thing that people are most surprised by is we ask you what it is you're trying to accomplish and what you're trying to do. And that's by design. Every single person who calls our office, their situation is different. Now, I know a lot of people have been through a nightmare process in the past, and unfortunately, that's more about who you chose to handle your loan than the home loan process itself. Since we are a direct lender, we can make this safe, simple, and have you saving money right away in taking advantage of these historic low rates that we're seeing right now.
Ideal Home Loans has so many happy customers, so let's hear from one of your clients right now.
I was referred to Ideal Home Loans and I did a new purchase with them, and I'm so glad that I was referred to them because they made the loan process so easy with their online platform. I would absolutely go with Ideal Home Loans again and would refer them to all my friends and family.
Now, Brent, are people still getting shorter term mortgages? Tell us about how those work and what are some of those advantages?
Yeah, a lot of people are. You've got this group of people that have been out and maybe they thought about moving up into a bigger home and have gone out and looked and realized how difficult the market is right now in terms of inventory. So they're electing to stay, and in doing so, they're now taking a different strategy where they want to get their house paid off as quickly as possible. And a lot of people are opting for a 15-year loan. And here's the benefits of that. You are going to save yourself 6 figures in payments and interest. But the biggest misnomer that's out there is a lot of people think if they go from a 30-year loan to a 15-year loan, their payment's going to double, and that's not the case. It's a slight increase over what your current 30-year fixed payment is today, but the savings in terms of payments and interest over time are astronomical. It's a lot of money, and rates on these products are still fantastically low.
Yeah, that sounds amazing. Now tell me, can viewers refinance without starting over on a brand new home loan?
Yeah, this came to be the last time we saw record low rates in 2016. We had a lot of our clients wanting to take advantage of rates. They wanted that lower interest rate. They wanted that lower payment. but they didn't want to start over and add all those years back onto their mortgage. So that's where our custom term mortgage was born. Gone are the days where refinancing means you need to reset the clock and start over on a brand new home loan. You can take the progress you've made on your current loan along with you to your refinance, but benefit from that lower interest rate and that lower payment.
Now, you guys are local. We love local, and you're not a broker. Tell us about how this benefits customers.
Well, it's really control and ease of process. Since we're lending our own money, we can cut through a lot of the red tape that exists out there. We can make the process safe, simple, and have you saving money. And since we are a direct lender, when we quote you fees, interest rates, timelines, we can stand behind all those because we're lending our own money internally, and the entire process is housed right here at our office in Denver.
Brent, appreciate your time. Thank you so much for being with us today.
Don't wait. Interest rates are on the rise. Start saving and manage debt with these low interest rates. Call Ideal Home Loans at 303-867-7000 to schedule your free consultation. Your first due payment is not due until August of this year. Go ahead and learn more online at idealhomeloans.com. They paid for today's segment. Keep it here.